In this video, I'm helping market and sell a 2017 Mustang GT for a friend and making a massive profit doing so. So stick around, watch the whole process, and let's get into it. We got the bike out here, got the helmet and the key right here, headed out to drop this thing off and pick up the Mustang. Got the bike dropped off. There he is, going for a cruise. Yes, sir. Whipping it home, got the 3-pedal manual, real Mustang GT. Gorgeous view. Gonna hop on the freeway, give it some gas, and get it some gas because we're running on E. But then we'll get it detailed. It's a little dirty. The outside is definitely dirty. So we gotta clean it up before we get it listed. Gotta love cruising California freeways in a nearly new Mustang. No complaints. Gotta love the job. Not going crazy fast, but this isn't mine, so I'm not gonna do that. Now we got the neighbor's gorgeous house and their gorgeous car, but we are focused on the Mustang. We're about to get this thing cleaned out, get all of the stuff, all of the owner's personal possessions out of here, and then we can give it a wash because you can see just how dirty this black paint is. Get it cleaned up, we'll store everything inside, I'll show you that process, and then we'll get it washed. We got the cruise now to the car wash. The car's all clean, looking nice, but we can get it looking nicer. Get all these little pellets and pebbles off the carpet, and overall just make this car really pop and look impressive. I like to take everything out of the car prior to going to the car wash or the vacuum or doing all that. That way nothing's in the way. I don't have to move around stuff, vacuum around stuff, keep a bag full of their contents and personal items in the car. I'd rather just deal with it before, put it back in, or give it to them later, depending on how the structure of the deal works. Here with a gorgeous sunset, look at that colorscape in the sky, in the Mustang with the little baby S2 right smack dab in front of us, just waiting for one of these bays to open up so that we can get this thing washed. Like I said, gorgeous sunset, but man, filthy, filthy Mustang. Oh, what's that? Automotive money! Link down below. We are getting this washed, getting it cleaned up right now. Got it covered. There we go. That looks so much better. You could obviously see the dust and all of that before, but there were also tons of bugs, tons of just debris and chips and contaminants, not chips, but lots of bugs and splatter all over, obviously on the front. But if you look at how wide this car is, there was also quite a bit on this back fender on each side. So I got this super, I mean, the results speak for themselves. So the car is met, the car is super clean now, and it's time to give it a vacuum. Definitely need to get gas, but man, check out this skyline and the gradient in the sky right now. It's so beautiful. I love this, and this gets to be my job. It could be a weekend gig, it could be an evening gig for literally anybody. You don't need equipment, infrastructure, anything like that. As you just saw, I use the car wash and the public vacuum. let's go ahead and give her a little rippy on this road. We got a blank stoplight with some P0s on the back, so she can do well. The next day, the car was parked right here. I got it moved into the garage with all the bike gear so that I can get it cleaned up, cleaned out, and get these little interior bits wiped down. Make it cleaner, get all of the dirt off of that, get the little spots out of the door jambs, hopefully. You can see, I don't know how to use this camera, but you know what I mean. So we're gonna get to finishing up the detail. So we're showing the Mustang right now. Awesome. So I didn't want to film too much of the selling process because I never know if the buyer wants to be on film. However, I ended up selling the car for $25,000 and I got a 5% commission off that. So you can do the math, $1,250 for me for helping sell the car. Now, this is my best package in my opinion. It is the done-for-you service. I take the car, I detail it as you saw, fill it up with gas. All of these are my costs. I take the photos, I run the ads, I do all of that, and I even sell the car on behalf of the seller. But then I'm paid just like a realtor for helping sell a home. I get a commission for helping sell that car. So in this instance, it was 5%, and I made over $1,000 simply marketing this Mustang. And if you're interested in getting the exact blueprint that I use for yourself, everything that you need to know to set up your own automotive marketing business and start making hundreds or even thousands of dollars, as is the case with this Mustang, then hit the link down below to learn how to start your marketing business. With that in mind, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, make sure to smash the subscribe button, the notification bell, all of that so that you're notified when new videos drop. And with that in mind, I will see you on the next one.